Oh shoot.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
It's gonna be potentially bigger.
Oh shoot.
Dude.
Ah! Oh!
Wait.
It's hailing.
It's hailing.
It's hailing hard.
Yep, got that right.
Holy smokes.
Oh,
I mean,
shoot. Holy smokes, do you see that big one?
wait.
Right
Yeah.
there. Yeah, that's a big one.
Why? And we're gonna die. Like, if this busts through the roof.
Dude, this is the weird thing. It has to be really cold to do that.
Yeah.
In the atmosphere.
It was really warm.
Yeah, it was in the atmosphere. It's really cold.
And if
today.
it's summer,
Yeah.
then that would be ridiculous. Holy.
But it has hailed and
Try
stuff.
make the video. Make the video. Wait.
Yeah, that's potentially gonna get bigger. I can tell.
Why is water just spraying on the chair?
I'm gonna put my head out there again.
No, it's not.
No.
It hurts on your chest.
Who thinks this is finished?
Okay.
Ah, shoot, I'm getting my socks wet. Look, it's watering the flowers. Way too much.
Thank you. Oh, here's the weird thing. See all those things right over there? That's
Yeah.
hail.
How? And oh.
Make the video.
Oh. Yeah, we're probably not gonna die because we have safe places like that under the bed. And we're gonna die.
Yeah, but we're gonna.
We're gonna die. Oh, like another safe place. Ryan in a safe place. Safe place.
Wait. Who wants to watch some videos?
Ryan in a safe place. Safe place, which is completely with adventure.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, come here.